Oh, hi guys. This is Marshall's Studios Forever here. Marshall's Studios Forever is taping you from a live audience tonight. Tonight's video is gonna be about, well, for first of all, I try not to laugh on set, okay? For first of all, I need to tell you something that's really amazed. And I need to tell you something that's really cool for you guys. Well, next weekend, I will find some more older vintage vacuums, okay? Because I got a lot of vacuum cleaners in my collection. And I only got this one Bissell vacuum. I got a lot of vacuums I really do. They're mostly vintage from the 90s and 80s and 70s. In mostly early 2000. For first of all, I finally fixed my Hoover Comset 1. I finally put a brand new belt to it. I put some new belts on. I fixed it. It works fantastically. And tomorrow, I really wanted to run a video on house cleaning with my Hoover Comset 1 on the blue one, the 1988 model. And also, I do have a black Hoover convertible I will be working on. It's the Hoover Encore Limited Edition. It was made in '89. For first of all, everybody, I will be doing some more vacuum cleaner videos. I will be doing that tomorrow, and I will be doing a test run on my 1988 Hoover Comset 1. If you want me to do a video on there. And I will be doing a lot of things as well, too. But for first of all, I need to tell you about the Bissell Power Partner 8800 upright vacuum. I still need to find the upright Bissell Power Partner series on the uprights. I still need to look for a blue one. Is the 300 one. Is the 3000 with the soft bag version with the 8-amp motor. Was made in the year 97. I wanted to find some lot of vintage Bissells I still need to find for. And Singers as well too. I'm still looking for these older vacuums from the 90s. The 90s are made by Ryobi. And I'm still searching for them. And it took me a year to find these machines. And I gotta tell you, you guys, I've been finding a whole bunch of Hoovers. I got a shitload of a lot of Hoovers in my collection. I really do. I got tons and tons of Hoovers. 3 Eurekas. I got 2 Dirt Devils as well too in my collection. And I got 3 Panasonics. Sharp Twin Energy. I still use the blue Panasonic. I will run that one as well. For first of all, I gotta say to you guys, for right now, for seriously right now, it's been taking me a year to find a Bissell Power Partner 1000 upright vacuum Was made in the year 97. I still need to find the Power Groom body box, the upright version to it. It was related to a dirt belt vacuum, and it does remind me of that Ryobi upright vacuum with the dirt belt. I still need to find the dirt belt. I still need to go get some other vacuums to find. And I still need to find the dirt belt vacuum. It took me years to find one of these. And for first of all, I'm here to let you know, man, I've been so tired a lot. Looking for I found a lot of good vacuums over the years, but I still need to find a Bissell Power Partner 1000. The Black Bissell Microlock 7 stages upright vacuum, and the Green Bissell Power Groom hard body box, and it's an upright vacuum. It took me a year to find these machines. I still need to look for them, and oh my gosh, I've been so worn out, and I still need to find a Hoover wind tunnel self-propelled turbo power. It was made in the year 99 or 98. I still need to find a Hoover wind tunnel deluxe. Was a black version. It still need to find that one as well too. I still need to find more vacuums, more machines. I still need to find a Eureka Bravo. I still need to find these machines, man. I've been tired out the whole freaking time. And I'm so wiped out right now, and for a little bit. But technically, I can still find these older Bissell vacuums. And I'm still vacuum cleaning, cleaner hunting still. I'm still doing it. And I'm still finding these older Bissell vacuums to put in my collection. I wanted to fix it. And first of all, if I ever find these older Bissells, I'll let you know. I'll keep my eyes out on those machines. Are mostly the Bissell Power Partner upright series vacuum cleaners. I still need to find. I still need to find the Blue Bissell Power Groom series. The upright versions are made from the year 97. And the Black Bissell Microlock 7 stages with a 10 amp motor upright vacuum. And the Hoover Steam Vac Deluxe with the blue version. And the Hoover Steam Vac Plus, and I still need to find the Bissell Pure Air. Still need to find all of my favorite childhood vacuums. I still need to find. And the Bissell Power Clean Upright Vacuum was made in the year 98. And I still need to find the Bissell Liftoff bag upright vacuum. Was made in the year 98. You know what, everybody? It took me a year to find these machines, and it took me for so many years to find my favorite childhood vacuums. Man, those are really hard to find during these days, and in my home state, in my hometown in Oklahoma City. And for first of all, well, me and my friend Lucy Toe wanted to find out about it. And we wanted to go look for these older machines. We love vacuum cleaners so much for our whole lives. And I like to buy some older vintage stuff, and I love having VHS tapes. I love watching movies during at nights. And I'm here to let you know, I still need to find my favorite vacuum cleaners from my childhood. And I still need to do, everybody, okay? Make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click on the red button to subscribe. Click on the sub button. And click on the comics what you like to see for a brand new Marshall Studios Forever vintage stuff retro series. And I'm still doing the retro series, you guys. And I'm just doing it for a lot of views and subscribers. And I'm just doing it for views, money, subs, and I'm just doing a lot, okay? And for first of all, I will be doing a lot for you guys, okay? And I will be doing some movie challenges. I will be doing a lot of good stuff to do tomorrow, okay? I will see you in the next video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Bye!